As we navigate the journey of life, our bodies go through numerous changes, especially as we age. One of the most critical aspects of aging is maintaining strong and healthy legs. Our legs are not just limbs. They are the foundation of our mobility, allowing us to walk, stand, and engage in daily activities that contribute to our overall well-being. However, as we grow older, our legs often become the first part of our bodies to show signs of wear and tear. This deterioration can lead to challenges such as reduced mobility, an increased risk of falls, and a decline in overall health. The significance of strong legs cannot be overstated. They enable us to enjoy life fully, whether it's taking a leisurely stroll in the park, playing with grandchildren, or simply standing up without assistance. Unfortunately, aging often leads to muscle loss and weakened bones, making it harder to perform these everyday tasks. It's crucial to understand that the health of our legs directly impacts our independence and quality of life. In this video, we will explore 3 key foods that seniors should incorporate into their diets to keep their legs strong and healthy. These foods are not just ordinary items. They are nutritional powerhouses that provide vital vitamins, minerals, and proteins necessary for muscle strength, bone density, and overall leg health. By understanding how these foods benefit your body, you can take proactive steps toward maintaining your mobility and independence as you age. Let's dive in and discover how these dietary choices can make a significant difference in your leg health. Hey everyone, welcome back to Bloom and Nourish. Before we dive in, I would appreciate it if you could like this video. Your support helps me share valuable lessons about aging. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any future videos. If you enjoy this video, please comment with a 1, and if not, comment with a 0, so I can improve my content for you. Now, let's get started. The importance of having a strong legs. Strong legs are essential for seniors because they enable freedom of movement and enhance quality of life. When our legs are strong, we can participate in activities we love, whether it's walking in the park, playing with grandchildren, or simply standing up without assistance. Unfortunately, aging often leads to muscle loss and weakened bones, making it harder to perform these everyday tasks. The loss of muscle mass can lead to frailty and increase the risk of falls. Falls can result in serious injuries such as fractures or head trauma, which can significantly impact one's ability to live independently. Therefore, focusing on nutrition is crucial for maintaining leg strength and overall health. Here are 3 essential foods that can help you maintain strong and healthy legs. Number 1. Lean proteins. Lean proteins are vital for muscle repair and growth. They provide the building blocks necessary for maintaining muscle tissue, helping to prevent the muscle loss that commonly occurs with aging. Incorporating lean proteins into your diet supports muscle strength and endurance, allowing you to stay active and independent. Why do lean proteins matter? As we age, our bodies need more protein to maintain muscle mass. Lean proteins not only help build muscles, but also aid in recovery after physical activity. This means that after you've gone for a walk or done some light exercise, eating protein-rich foods can help your muscles recover faster. Actionable tip: include sources of lean protein in every meal. Good options include chicken breast, turkey, fish like salmon or tuna, beans, lentils, and tofu. Aim for at least 20 to 30 grams of protein per meal to support muscle maintenance and growth. Number 2. Calcium-rich foods. Calcium is essential for maintaining strong bones. Healthy bones provide the structural support needed for your legs. Adequate calcium intake helps prevent osteoporosis and bone fractures, common concerns for seniors. In addition to bone health, calcium plays a role in muscle function and nerve transmission. Why calcium is important. As we age, our bones can become weaker if we don't get enough calcium. This weakness can lead to fractures or breaks from falls. Calcium also helps our muscles function properly. Without it, you might experience cramps or spasms. Actionable tip: incorporate calcium-rich foods into your diet such as dairy products, milk, cheese, yogurt, leafy green vegetables, kale and broccoli, almonds, sardines with bones, and fortified plant-based milks like almond milk or soy milk. Aim for at least 1,200 mg of calcium each day. Number 3, vitamin D sources. Vitamin D is crucial for calcium absorption and bone health. It also plays a role in muscle function by helping maintain leg strength and reducing the risk of falls. Seniors often require higher amounts of vitamin D due to decreased synthesis in the skin as well as lower dietary intake. Why vitamin D is essential. Vitamin D helps your body absorb calcium effectively. Without enough vitamin D, even if you consume plenty of calcium-rich foods, your body may not use it properly. Additionally, vitamin D supports overall immune function and reduces inflammation in the body. Actionable tip: ensure sufficient vitamin D intake through foods like fatty fish, such as salmon or mackerel, fortified dairy products like milk or yogurt, egg yolks, and mushrooms exposed to sunlight. If necessary, consider a vitamin D supplement after consulting with your healthcare provider. Aim for 800 to 1,000 IU per day. Keeping your legs strong and healthy is vital for maintaining independence and enjoying an active lifestyle as you age. By incorporating these 3 essential foods, lean proteins, calcium-rich foods, and vitamin D sources, into your diet, you can support muscle strength while enhancing bone density effectively. Every small dietary change can lead to significant improvements in your health. If you found these tips helpful today, please give this video a thumbs up. Share it with friends or family who might benefit from this information. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights on healthy aging. In conclusion, investing time in understanding how nutrition impacts leg health is crucial for seniors seeking longevity and vitality in their lives. By making conscious choices about what you eat, focusing on those 3 powerful foods, you're not just nourishing your body, you're empowering yourself to live life fully with strength and confidence. Embrace the journey toward better health by prioritizing these nutritional choices today. Let's work together toward a future where we can all enjoy strong legs that carry us through life's adventures. Remember that taking care of your legs today will help ensure a more active and fulfilling tomorrow. Your journey toward healthier legs starts with simple dietary choices that can have lasting effects on your mobility and overall well-being. Let's embrace a strong future together. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.